How to fix Google Authenticator wrong code error on iPhone. Here's how to fix the wrong code issue on Google Authenticator for iPhone, quick and step by step. Step 1, go to Settings and then to General. Click on Date and Time to turn on Set Automatically. This makes sure your phone's time is synced correctly, which is essential for Google Authenticator codes to work. Step 2, if you have multiple accounts added in Google Authenticator, double check that you're using the right code for the right service. Step 3, if you got a new phone or reinstalled the app, the codes won't work unless you restore them or scanned a new QR code. Go to the account security settings on the website you're logging into and set up Google Authenticator again. Step 4, if codes still don't work, use a save backup code if you have one, or request recovery help from the service you're trying to access. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.